10 Best Winemaking Kits in 2020 brought to you by Advanced Mixology. Winemaking kits piqued the interest of wine lovers by giving each winemaker absolute freedom to personalize, adjust and modify the ingredients. Let's take a look at the best winemaking kits in 2020. Check the links given in the description box below. Craft a Brew home winemaking kit can be the best present. If you want the best set, North Mountain Supply 1 gallon wine from Fruit Complete 30 PCs kit as the one. Winemakers Depot 3 gallon glass wine making equipment kit has the best equipments. Let's check the top 10 options. At number 10, Midwest Homebrewing and Winemaking Supplies Starter Equipment Kit. Its better bottle is constructed with a plastic carboy that is lightweight and durable, convenient for lifting your 6 gallons worth with ease. We have Master Vintner 1 gallon wine making starter kit, Cabernet Sauvignon, at number 9. This winemaking kit is compatible with all winemaking processes, an affordable introductory package to the fermenting craft. ABC Crafted Series Wine Making Ingredient Pack, Merlot, gets the 8th position. This winemaking kit ensures the whole winemaking process unfolds smoothly and effortlessly, especially Merlots with luscious taste, aroma, and color. At number 7, Master Vintner Wine Making Equipment Starter Kit. This winemaker kit can make your wine ready in no more than 28 days, an oddity any impatient winemaker could appreciate. Craft a Brew home winemaking kit gets the 6th position. This winemaking kit comes with not only the tools but the necessary ingredients and fermenting agents to get started as a beginner in the craft. We have Homebrew Ohio Deluxe Wine Making Kit at number 5. This winemaking kit offers 2 additional accessories, namely, an easy-to-use bottle filler and a 1/2-inch auto siphon pump. At number 4, North Mountain Supply 1 gallon wine from Fruit Complete 30 PCs kit. This is the largest and most comprehensive wine kit available in the market, with over 100 wine recipes to select from in the handbook, including vintages. Winemakers Depot 3 gallon glass wine making equipment kit gets the 3rd position. This kit's glass carboy is fabulous and the fermenting bucket is shipped pre-drilled, for no hassle on your part later on. We have Master Vintner Fresh Harvest 1 gallon small batch fruit wine making kit at number 2. This winemaking kit supplies a large batch of wine, up to 15 gallons worth, and a handbook brimming with inspiring recipes. Wild Grapes Premium DIY Wine Making Kit, Italian Pinot Grigio, gets the 1st position. This kit does not come with any winemaking equipment but with a base, yeast pack and fining agents for a quick, hassle-free easy-made Italian Pinot Grigio. You can buy any of these winemaking kits by clicking on the links given in the video description below. Learn more about cocktails and liquors at our website, advancedmixology.com.